Hey guys, today I'm gonna be doing a toy review for Nerf, and it is Friday. I don't know what time is it, but guys, guess I went to a movie with Tyson. We watched the movie Sing.
Yep.
Stop, China, don't bother me, I said. And guess what? He gave me a present. He gave me a card that comes with a Superman keychain. He gave me a card that comes with this. Try to go sit down, please. I'm making a video. Please, China. And he gave me these darts, which we're gonna be opening up later. And the best gift that he gave me was this hat, baby. Oh, are you looking at it? You're looking at it, yo. Look, 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 look. Nerf. He gave me. And I haven't opened it yet because I decided to open it with you guys. And oh shoot! Oh man! I just fell down. Oh, I fell down. Guess what? I fell down off my chair. Okay, it's not funny, Skyna. It's not funny. Okay, I'm gonna open this. I'm gonna open these, guys. Okay. First, I'm gonna open this. Okay. Let's get started. So here are darts.
The other one tastes like coffee.
So here are the darts. We're gonna put these aside. Put that aside. Now time to open up the big one. Okay. When I say count to 1, I will open it in 1 second. 3, 2, 1. Okay, guys, did it work? It comes with these bullets. Extra bullets. Excuse me. What extra bullets? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 extra bullets. Put that right there. Comes with this piece and this piece, which I might need. And final piece is this. Oh man, I don't know how to do this. No, I don't know how to do these. No. I don't know how to do these. If you guys have one of these, comment down below, because I don't know how to do this. It's my first time having this. I got a lot of Nerf right there. Hey, Shane. I have a lot of Nerf there. Kinda. Please don't bother. Guys, ignore it. That's just my sister. Don't touch, Shekinah. I'm serious, Shekinah. Don't touch. No. Guys, that's my sister. Ignore. How do you put this in anyway? Ouch. Ow. I just hurted my fingers.
See, I did it last. See?
Oh, I hurt my fingers.
Oh. What happened?
I hurt my fingers.
Is it bleeding? Let me see.
No, it's not. Oh my gosh, that actually hurts. It actually hurts. Oh, it's
really bad.
It's my 100th time hurting my fingers. And I don't know why I have to hurt my fingers anyways.
You know that says touch it. You don't have to touch it.
So, Steiner, it's not like you can tell me what to do. Right? see how this thing fires.
Fire.
Don't. Can I take this off?
Kuya, pretend I'm walking.
Oh, I can take this off. Hey guys, don't do my sister. Guys, ignore. What is this? I might use that for other supplies.
Mine. I want your daddy. Shake your
I'm
daddy.
putting those upstairs when I'm done, okay? I'm putting those upstairs. I'm testing this out.
I'm doing a video.
Yeah.
What movie did you watch?
What?
What movie did you see?
I watched the movie Sing.
Huh?
I watched the movie Sing.
It's your body. We switch bodies.
How do you...
This is the song.
Yeah.
Come on.
Guys, kind of move out of my way. Move out of my way. Oh, Jesus. Move out of my way.
Two bullets.
Woo! That was so scary.
Bullets. Need see some bullets. Need some bullets.
Stop kind of. Okay. Oh, there. Whoa.
Whoa. Keep on there.
Let's do a
That's
cool
a
one.
pretty family chair. Like,
Oh. You guys okay?
are you
Guys, okay?
guys?
Woo! Hey,
Happy
Skyna.
birthday.
Skyna, stop, please.
Fine.
I'm gonna try to hit this balloon. Okay, so Raiden.
When you shoot it, I'm gonna do like this, okay?
There, I shot it.
It shot it. I do like this. It got it. No
Hey
man.
guys, subscribe if you want me to pop this balloon like this. I just popped it.
I tried.
I need to get all my bullets. Hey, stop, Shekinah. Guys, my sister is so mean.
No, I'm not.
Yes, she is.
No, I'm not.
Yes, she is.
No, I'm not. He's gonna have she's gonna have braces when he's 15 years old.
No, I won't, guys. Don't believe in her. She's going to hell.
No.
Shekinah, you are actually.
No.
You're actually going to hell if you don't stop.
We are not. I promise I won't do it.
You're still going if you did.
Kuya.
You didn't say I'm very sorry. Jeez. How to take this thing off? Jeez. Could someone help me here? Someone help
Kuya,
me?
you're just joking. Daddy said I'm not going to help.
So,
So
guys. Dude, I need help.
my parents love me.
So. Very powerful.
Birthday to you. Cha cha cha. Happy birthday.
It's very powerful,
to
huh?
you. Cha cha cha. Happy birthday, dear Mary. Happy birthday to you. Cha cha cha.
So, guys, leave a thumbs up if you like that toy review and subscribe. Leave a thumbs up.
Comment down below in Ethan's video.
Stop! Shut up. If subscribe, leave a thumbs up,
Santa Claus
and I'm
is
out.
coming
Bye, dude.
soon.